Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2009 Honda Shadow Spirit. This is a 750cc V-twin, liquid cooled, shaft drive, custom cruiser. Nice middleweight custom cruiser. It's got the nice skinny front wheel, 21 inch. Really looks show bike. Beautiful red metallic paint. This bike has only 6,441 miles on it. Also comes with a nice passenger backrest. Very nice condition. We have financing available, extended service contract. We have warranties, and also insurance available. Come by, check it out, take a test drive, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Only $54.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Thank you.